Folks, let's check out the Binary Classic Walnut Table. Yes, that's the name of the table. Sounds funky and looks beautiful. Well, if you notice, this has a pre-laminated tabletop which is thick and sturdy. The width of this tabletop is about 25 millimeters. The width of the table is 2 feet and length is 5 feet. As you can see, it also has a modesty panel, which is a technical term. Otherwise, you can call it a privacy panel. So when somebody sits here, the legs or the costume will not be visible. It also has aesthetically designed, beautifully carved legs, which are powder coated, and it has rubber floor levelers with an element of chrome. Gives it a plush look. I love it. A little while ago, I showed you these grommets. This table also sports a pair of grommets, predominantly made available to manage the wires that you're going to use for your laptop or any other device or gadget. Isn't this great? Transteel, growth by design.